Hello everyone. Welcome to the Higher Time Frame Scalper. Today is Friday the 16th of February 2024. We're going to have a quick market review on gold using the Inner Circle Trader concepts. So, without wasting your valuable time, let's get started. Starting with 4-hour chart. We notice that price have broken structure on December 4th. And is having a bearish tone since. We don't do anything with that information yet, as we just confirmed an idea of what institutional order flow the market is in right now. I start my analysis on 4-hour for this reason, as the monthly candle can be bearish but price is in a buy program, and vice versa. Now, moving to the monthly chart. We see that price have taken multiple equal highs. That being on the monthly chart gives more confirmation to our bearish idea, because a retracement or a reverse is likely to happen.
We start by defining the range. From the recent swing high that had the imbalance, to the most recent intermediate term low. After that, we highlight the discount and premium arrays. Because we are on the monthly chart, there are not too many. But that's the beauty of these higher time frames. We don't have too many opinions, and we don't get distracted by the lower time frames noise. On the 1942.17, we have a monthly bullish order block that's been marked. We also have a bullish rejection block on around the 1850 level. I forgot to mark it here, but you do so on your platform. Moving to the weekly. Here's where the action happens, and where the one-shot, one-kill setups start to show their signatures.
We notice that price have reacted from the monthly bullish order block discount array and created what can be called an intermediate term low around the 1,929.06 level. It's an intermediate term low because it has an imbalance. If you follow through, just few weeks after price took off from that low, it came back and reacted from a propulsion bullish order block and price 3 weeks up close candles. So knowing that, we can minimize our work from the intermediate term low on the 1,929.06 to the 2,144.43 high. That is our range to work in. Inside that range, I've marked the obvious weekly premium and discount arrays. Mark these arrays on your platform, and let's move to the daily chart. Looking at the daily chart, we notice that there's another intermediate term low. This low formed around the 1,973.64 level. So it would be logical have our analysis inside this range. However, as we will drop lower to the 4-hour chart, we don't minimize the range any further. There are a few more premium and discount arrays that appeared on this time frame. I marked the near-term ones with blue trend lines. The rest are for you to be marking them on your platform, as I want the chart to be less busy, and I want you to engage in this analysis to learn more. Now, finally, the 4-hour chart. Before we start, I won't mark the premium and discount arrays on this chart, for the same reasons as why I marked less on the daily. Looking at the chart, it feels like gold is in a long-term consolidation. And it is. Yes, I know it broke bearishly, but that doesn't mean it will trend right away. Looking at where price is right now, clearly we're in the discount range of the range we marked as our working range. There are two opinions here. We already missed the move, or price will rally up from this discount range and clear the highs around the 2064.32 level and then start to trend lower. As ICT students, what is our most favorable? The safe answer is we cannot determine that yet. But looking at bullish displacement that was made on Thursday, it's likely to see price rallying up. But will it reach the 4-hour equal highs? That is still unclear here. But for me, and this doesn't mean go ahead and trade it. I'm not a trade advisor. However, I will wait for it to clear the highs and reprice the 4-hour fair value gap that appears around the 2070 level to sell on my demo account. because in consolidation, it's not likely to come out profitable if you sold in the discount range. By that, we've reached the end of this video. In summary, I am bearish, but I will wait for premium prices. Plus, if I see London kill zones, buy setups. I'll consider to trade them with low risk on my demo account till price reaches the 2064 highs. Again, that doesn't mean go ahead and trade them. At the end, if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please leave a like and a supportive comment and consider subscribing to the channel. If there's anything that wasn't clear or concept that wasn't explained enough, please let me know in the comments, and I'll make a video about it soon. Till next time, be safe.